Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a default PDF viewer keep changing to Microsoft Edge. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge. Go click on these three dots and go to your settings. After doing this step, go to your cookies and site permissions and scroll down and find out a PDF documents. Now here is a PDF documents. Click on it and click on always download PDF files. Click on and close it, and after that open any PDF document. Right click, go to your open with and click on choose another app. Select it and select any one other. Select it and click on OK. Now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.